Are you tired of carrying these heavy loaded Vexilar brackets? I'm trying to promote. How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited because I got a nice little package right here. And I want to show you guys what's in here exactly. So, with that being said, if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, leave some comments down below, hit that thumbs up because you guys are going to really like what I have to show you guys in this box. So, let me pop this open and let's give it a go. There it goes. Dude, we got the new juice. Alright, let me switch over the camera. Well, I'll just hold it up. This is what it comes in. That's what it looks like. This is the new bracket. I'm going to show you guys in the picture right here. It's going to play. Picture right. This is the new bracket for ice fishing, right? It's going to replace anything you got that is out there already, I guess. And I'm telling you guys right now, this thing is pretty sick. Alright, so we got yourself the LED, not LED, that glow in the dark light thingy or whatever. It shines that purple light, makes your glow jig shine. We're gonna get into that. Comes with the little bracket. This is the base bracket for the battery. I'm gonna show you guys that later. Some more parts. This is cool. This is like that Connects game. I don't know if you guys are old enough to remember that. I mean, guess my age. This is what I was stoked about. When I saw the picture, I was like, dude, you gotta send me that because this is what I need, and we're gonna break into it really quick. This is the arm. Okay, this is the arm. You guys can see that. We got ourselves. You see that? You don't want to mess with this. We got ourselves the flasher, the little thingy that's in the picture that holds it up, you know. And we got the handle. This is pretty darn slick. So I'm gonna show you guys all the pictures and everything as I talk, you know, and you guys can look at the available options. So yeah, that's sick. And we got some stickers, decals, Basskhang decals. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Landed perfectly. All right, so let's assemble this together. I don't know if my angle is gonna be good because it is getting dark, so just watch me as I do it. I'm just gonna chill here. So let's start off with the base here. I just want to show you guys what it is exactly. It's basically this really cool thing, right? Like a little energy box. You can order without this energy box if you don't care, but for me as a content creator, we like these options of a 12 volt, kind of like a car charger style, and then we have the 2 USB port. That's dope, man. Now I could run a phone recording or my GoPro on the flasher and record the flasher, either the flasher itself or me, because you guys like to watch my face. It does come with the screws here, so we're gonna go ahead and screw this up real quick. And hold on, we'll go ahead and screw this together, and it's pretty easy. There's nothing like mechanical about this, you know. You're just kind of screwing stuff back into its position, so it's not too bad. Alright, so I got that bolted in. It won't fall out anymore. Let's see what's next here. We got the little wires, right, for your battery. We'll talk about that later. But what we're going to do here, we're going to assemble the legs, okay? It's this little shape cut out right here. So that's pretty easy. I'm just going to pop this open real quick. Alright, so that's what it looks like from the inside. It's pretty cool. Your whole wiring there. So if you're more high-tech than I am, because I'm not that Asian. If you're good at engineering, you can wire it however you want it. You just pretty much unplug this and plug it back in, plug it back out. I'm going to take this washer off real quick because we need to... Jeez. Oh my gosh. So we're not going to put that bottom piece on yet. We're just going to assemble the legs here. I guess we can call it legs. So that's what it looks like. It's going to fit those 3 holes. You only need 1. And you can put 2 or 3 more if you want to, but we don't need that much. Boom, just like that. Nice and sturdy. Okay. Alright, it's not going to fall off. Let's do the other one real quick. Well, we could put this wire back, I guess. Alright, so what I did here is I put those 2 pins, and I connected to those 2 gold pins there, the 2 loops. Some of you guys can see it, but that's what it should look like right there in the inside. Okay. All you're gonna do is take this washer and throw it right on top of those threads and thread it down. Sorry for the poor lighting, but I was able to get the bolt inside, snug, tight. So that's what it looks like on the inside. It's pretty darn cool. Again, if you have any adjustment you want to do, you can do it in there. But all I did was this little section here, the 2 pins and a bolt. I connect it in the inside, right in there. So that's what it looks like. All right, I'm just gonna hold it like that. That way you guys can see it. Hold the wrench. And tighten it. Nice and snug. So you gotta worry about it falling off, right? Because the washer's there for it to lock anyways. Yeah, for now, just close this up right here before we break something else. And you're pretty much halfway there already. This option is optionable. You don't have to order the one with the box here. I just like it because I can do like recording stuff with it. It's just more bass kind of deal. You guys will see in a bit. So let's see. This is the battery bracket. It's pretty cool. They got the strap here. So hold down the battery if you want to. You don't have to use it, but it's nice to have it, I guess. Alright, let's see. So it goes like this, okay? Not like this. It goes inside. Alright, let me just hook it up real quick. So it goes, it sits like that. Okay, these 2 holes right here. I don't think it should sit any closer because if it sits too close, then your battery is going to be hitting these 2 pins right here, okay? So you want to sit right where these 2 leg here, they flush. Let's sit like that. The 2 washers are in there already. That's what's nice about it. And you just screw it in. All right. I'm just going to put them in here real quick just so they have something to support. Alright, this is pretty sick, man. This red and black is pretty dope. I like it. So we're gonna... Okay, so that's good. Yeah, I think I failed, guys. Oh, I'm still good. I didn't fail in life yet. Alright, so these 2 parts... Oh, it's pretty dark. I mean, it's pretty bright. So these 2 parts here to hold up the flasher, okay? They're going to be facing this way, not this way. If you do it this way, you are SOL. The 2 L's must meet. Okay? Oh, yeah, it's pretty tight. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Alright. There you go. So nothing rocket science. That's what it looks like. If you have any other bolt option, go ahead and feel free to do it. But this is what's recommended. So we're just going to do that to the other side, and then I'll show you guys the whole like look of it. This is what it looks like. It's pretty darn cool. All right, we got the red and black going here. Pretty sweet. Again, you already got yourself the little rubber. I don't know if it's rubber, but it's like a really little texture right here. Oh, fresh handle. Oh, I like it. This is cool. This is like that non-slip texture. It's pretty cool. All right, this is pretty easy. You just take the screw that it came with and just... Sweet. We got ourselves the handle. So this is pretty much it, actually. Again, the armrest here, you can... Matter of fact, I think I forgot to throw this guy on. That's what the handle looks like here. I thought it was on this section, but it's not. I mean, you can, but I think I like it up here better. So it's just like that. That way it's not blocking any of the core. Goes out pretty far. Boom. It's about probably 10 inches, I guess. It's pretty sweet, man. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Alright, sweet, man. Now all we have to do is take these 2 and connect it to the black and red here. Jeez, almost went to the wrong one. Just connect that and that right there. Boom. Alright, here we go. So that's the complete look of the bracket itself. And we're going to go ahead and put on the Vexilar. It's pretty darn cool, right? It's pretty sweet. I love the black and red. Cool. Bam. Dude, this looks so sick. Look at that, guys. And it's not even done yet. And it's so light. Like, it's insane. Yeah, you might think this is heavy, but it's not. It's plastic, but it's like that really strong, I think like 3D print or something. I don't know what kind of plastic this is, but if you don't order this box here and just the bracket itself, I can't even imagine how lighter it would be. But because I record, I need this. Weight's not an issue for me. I just prefer something like this anyways. Let's go ahead and put the battery on. I do have a... Oh my god, it's so dusty. So I do have a 12 volt Dakota lithium from last year. I'm gonna clean it off real quick because I want it to look shiny. I recommend these batteries. They last forever. They're lighter. I think they're only about 2 point something pounds. It's like Build-A-Bear, It's pretty slick. Wow, that's it right there. That's pretty much it. So you can tighten it. I'll tighten it later. I'm just kind of like trying to put this all together real quick for you guys before I lose light here. So I got the finished product here, and it looks amazing. But I do want to show you guys something else. As I was assembling this, I just could not wait and do my other Vexilar FLX, and it's gonna be pretty cool. So hold on. So I got one made just for you guys because I love you guys. Here's my Vexilar Flx28. It's amazing. It's like I said, it's light. It's nothing heavy. I want to say maybe 6 pounds. Again, if you order the bracket without the base, I want to say 5 pounds total, depending on the battery. The battery is what determines the weight. But that's my Dakota battery there, my lithium battery. Got my logo right there. Right, and we're gonna turn this bad boy on because I'm not gonna hook this one up yet because this one's actually my brother's. Nani-san's gonna get this black and red one. Basskhang, shout out to you for hooking us up and making ice fishing just that much more fun. I'm actually texting him right now because he's a cool dude. You guys should support him. Here's the magic. Yeah, and it's on. Right, I'm running at 13.5. I don't know if that's right, but I guess it's right. It's running. Got the ports. Right, we got the ports here. Got the Flx28. We're gonna turn that bad boy on. And it's running. Let's go. We're ready for ice fishing. You can turn this thing on too. Look at that. And it's on. Nice, bright, glow in the dark. For you night fishermen out there, because you have no life and you don't sleep. I'm so excited. It's pretty cool. So, yeah. So, hey guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Again, do me a favor. Go check out Basskhang. All of that.com, right? I'll leave all the links down below. You get yourself some nice brackets and fishing will be amazing. Check this out, man. It looks so cool. I love it. It's like holding up greatness right here. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button, leave the comments down below. Check them out and links down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys on ice fishing season. It's coming up real fast. Stay tuned.